Hey guys, it's Ariel and welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is just going to be a super quick, super easy, super sexy, like pink and black smoky eye. You got your pink, you got your black, you throw it on your fucking eye and you are good to go. It's super easy. So I'm going to kind of give you guys a step-by-step tutorial on how to achieve this eye look. Anyway, I'm going to list all the products that I'm using. I know you guys have totally been requesting for me to do that, and then I always forget because I'm a fucking idiot, but I'm going to write down everything I'm using, what I'm doing, see me with them hands. Oh my god. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial, and make sure you comment, like, subscribe on it, or I'm just going to commit.
Never mind, I'm going to edit that out because everyone's going to be so mad I said that. Yeah.
Alright guys, well I hope you... Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial on our pink and black and glittery smoky eye. If you guys have any questions about any techniques or the products that I used on this Gigorama, let me know. Comment below, make sure you comment, like, subscribe, vote, kitty cat.
No, not for me.
Alright guys, well until next time, yes.